Hey guys, this is my first video since a really long while and I'm really excited. If you remember, I was uploading all type of content related to trading, including educational videos, explanations, trading strategies, reviews of different services and more. I help so many people making money by learning new skills, basic and advanced techniques, and also by avoiding using scams and waste your money on some shady services that are being marketed online. And this is exactly what I'm going to do again from now on. We will talk about everything related to trading. Only this time we will not focus only in Forex. I always look for the most trending niches and the best opportunities available. And right now we simply can't ignore the cryptocurrencies market. I receive so many questions about it, so it's a good opportunity to address at least some of them and share it with you. I'm also working on a special course that should be ready soon and teach you everything you need to know about day trading cryptocurrencies. So I invite you to subscribe so you can stay tuned and follow what comes next. First thing we should start with is what cryptocurrencies are. Before anything else, before you choose to invest anything or open your first trade, you must understand the basic of what the asset you trade on is. In order to understand what cryptocurrencies are, it only makes sense to start with the Bitcoin, as this is the biggest cryptocurrency and the one that started it all. Once you understand what Bitcoin is, you have a good clue about how most cryptocurrencies work. Let's start with the fact that Bitcoin is before anything else a payment method. The currencies you usually use in your day-to-day life, such as dollar and euros, are called fiat currencies, and you use them in order to pay for different products and services. You store them in banks that use computers in order to track who owns what at any given moment in order to avoid mistakes. And by the way, for the ones who claim that money in banks is real in opposed to virtual currencies, think again. Most of the money you talk about is merely computerized data that represents theoretical value and not more than that. Only a very small percentage is held in actual physical bills or coins. So in that matter, Bitcoin is very similar. This is also a payment method represented by numbers. The main thing that is different between Bitcoin and fiat money is the technology. The system is decentralized. Basically what it means is that it does not rely on banks or any other third parties. The money interaction or the transactions are made between client A and client B. So there are no fees and you don't have the usual limitations you have with banks. The transfers are fast, cheap and flexible. Every account has its own public address and a private key, which are used to receive money. And the blockchain technology, which I will explain about in a different video, allows an efficient platform that keeps every piece of data reliable and secured. The efficiency of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is so high that I can confidently assume that it's here to stay. For sure, some of the currencies and services that are useless or not strong enough will disappear. But in one format or another, we have all the reasons to believe that this is only the beginning. And now, after the initial hype and the recent stabilization, this is a good time to get in. There is so much to talk about and we will get to everything. But one of the first things I'd like to tell you is that you have to be aware of scams. As with any successful field, there are so many scammers out there. Here in my channel, I will try to cover as much as I can in order to expose them and keep you safe from losing your money. If you want to trade crypto and you don't have an account yet, I suggest that you do it only with a good and reliable broker. From the experience of many, including myself, IQ Options is one of the best choices for short-term trading. They are a fully regulated broker and one of the only legitimate ones that also deal with Forex and other types of trading, and it's a good place to start with. You'll find out that the platform is friendly, trustworthy and professional. If you want to give them a shot, you can try with a demo or minimal account using the link below this video. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe if you really want to learn how you can really make money in trading. I'm planning some really great stuff, so stay tuned and I'm going to see you soon.